Hi guys, this is my Kenmore 158 17812. This is the owner manual Kenmore convertible model 17A1. A little demonstrate how to do all the stitches, and it's already threading. Now we're going for the stretch stitch, working really well. We're going for more small leg. Now we're going to make some zigzag, change for the width, and there you go. We're going for the similar to satin stitch. Now we're going to make the like a stretch stitch, and for that just I need to put the modifier. We see an S. What happened with the leg and A, and width of course doesn't know how width because it's like a stretch straight. When you put an S that goes backwards, it means better put an L. There you go. This is also very well. Now we're going for some decorative stitches she has. We can go here in the top, and we're going for this stitch. You let it is red one, that means going to be with. Here there's like a triangle, and we can go here and see what happened with her the modifier in L. The speed is controlled by my pressed foot. Okay, now we're going for the other one. I think this go in red dog. We're going to see what happened. Exactly, this is what I thought. Perfect. When it's in the point red, it's going to make the red stitch over the top. When I put the modifier and L, is going to make the black stitch. Don't forget that. We're going now for this other decorative stitch. This is like a stretch stitch. It is the red one. We're going for the red point. The more width I like, and we let this leg one and A. There we go. Now the other stitch, we need to go to modify and L. You want this stitch a little more close to each other, just change the leg and then you another time. There's too many combinations. This machine has beautiful. This is how we do. Remember that I have to cut the thread in the back. Looking that beautiful. Now we're going for another decorative stitches. She has an S, serge hair, and the other like similar to zigzag. We let them modify L, leg We can lengthen 12 and widen 4. We're going to see how go. Now we're going for the black one. That means, oh, this is the black one. Oh, no. Let me see that I put this because it's like a circle one. I'm going to put in the red area for the leg. See what happens. Like I tell you, that had many features for change the like a kind of circle. Beautiful. Now we made the red one. That means I need to go to the red point. It's there. Widen 4 and let whatever you decide. Now we're going to see what the stitches are made. This is the 3 line. There are kind of circle in here. Kind of different stitches. Now we're going for another kind. These stitches can combine in many ways. We can do this in 24. It's in red. It's like a half of the square. Okay, and the black one, that means I need to go and modify. But remember, if you don't want backwards, you put an L. Modifier, L, letter L. Leg, we're going to put in 12. We'll see what happens. That stitch had a name, but I don't know really the names, but I know how to use according for the material. This is another kind. Here, all made very well, good tension. Now we're going for like a escalope. I think that's called escalope. It means it's in red. In red, we're going to the point red, widen 4, and lead, we're going to 24. See what happened. Beautiful, honey. It's open for me. I do more close in red area. And this is what we have. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the Kenmore, had a convertible. It's because for make the buttonhole it's so easy. You just press in the back of the button here. You can take the sleeve and you put one of the size of the desired button for put the buttonhole. Had different, 3 kinds different. You put over here. How you put is, I had a video already on YouTube for checking how to do this, and it's just like that. You can see there, and you put this area in the reader over there. This needs to be according to one little point is in here. Let's see how it's at. And I had the pressed foot for the buttons is this one. You can do with these two, but if you prefer more professional, this is the foot special for do that. And there are instructions already how to do, and at the owner manual tell you too. And like I told you in YouTube, I had one video for see how make the buttonhole. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy. God bless you. Continue pray for this world. Have a nice day. Bye.